So, after a travel-filled 2025, with trips to Australia, California, Quebec City, and Niagara-on-the-Lake, Katie and I are normalizing for a few months before planning a trip to the Canadian East Coast this summer or in early autumn. The travel break provides a golden opportunity to try a new home project I've been putting off for a while, as it requires several weeks of attention to get off the ground. Ever since we visited Epcot Center in Florida back in 2010 and toured the World of the Future, which is now called Living with the Land, I've been fascinated with hydroponic gardening. So with several weeks available in my busy retirement social calendar, I decided to jump right in and set up a small hydroponic operation. Since we aren't chronicling our travels online, I'm going to chronicle the growing process, complete with successes and missteps. There are many videos online on how to make vertical hydroponic gardening systems with supplies from building stores, including PVC pipes, buckets, tubing, etc. However, given the relative affordability of prefabricated setups, I opted to buy a simple system online for $200. Here it is assembled. It's a clever but simple system that takes water from the basin, pumps it to the top of the tower, and essentially rains down on the 35 small planting brackets below. The system only uses water and liquid fertilizer. The setup has a gauge so you know when to top off the water level. You need to put a few tablespoons of the fertilizer in on a regular schedule, depending on how many plants you have. Before we get to this stage, however, we need to germinate some seeds. I ordered 2 packets of seeds online as well, some herbal tomatoes and a variety of salad greens. The setup provides a growing medium to start the germination process. There are little foam cubes with a hole in the top for the seeds and a cutout at the bottom for the roots to spread. I saturated the cubes with water and put 3 seeds into each hole to help ensure sprouting. All the cubes are in a shallow pan that I bought from the local dollar store, which will require a small amount of regular watering. It should take 2 to 3 weeks to see some roots and some leaves to start to form. That's when we transfer them to the hydroponic tree. Stay tuned as I go through the germination process and get the hydroponics working. I'll document and share my gardening journey. Cheers, everyone.